This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathleen DuPont. Rarely available, this large end unit is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, open floor plan with many features you will love. Add in the impact glass sliders on the lanai overlooking the preserve and you have a total of 2,727 square feet of living space. Kitchen is very bright with dining area with large windows overlooking sunny heated pool area and 2 hot tubs. Large inside laundry room has ample storage space. The entire home has so very much storage space for great organization. This is a must-see if you are looking for a lavish gated community with walking paths, majestic oaks and a preserve with wildlife you will love to watch and relax. Some of the upgrades in this lovely home include high tray ceiling, crown molding, arched openings with columns, neutral tile, engineered hardwood flooring, tile floors in the living room. The kitchen has granite countertops, a dine-in area and breakfast bar, custom wood cabinets with rollouts, built-in desk for convenient use such as cookbook use. The ensuite primary bedroom has a huge, customized, walk-in closet and a large bath with soaking tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks, and stone counters. There are 2 assigned parking spaces under the building and an extra air-conditioned, secured storage area. The community offers a fitness center, tennis courts and a clubhouse and heated pool and spa. You could walk to the UTC Mall, or Benderson Park with international rowing facilities. Access to I-75 is so close. Downtown Sarasota, Street. Armands Circle, for fabulous shopping, world-famous Siesta Key Beach and Lido Key Beach, cultural activities, numerous golf courses, and medical facilities. Come see and don't miss this beautiful home. For more information, review the below or contact Kathleen DuPont at 941-350-4995.